Okay, meron na paparinig sa inyo kasi matagal ko nang hindi kinakanta tong kanta na to. Alam niyo ba yung kanta na Tennessee Whiskey? Do continue. Ito napaka-special na kanta nito, Tennessee Whiskey. Alam niyo ba yung istorya nito? Akalain mo kinumpare yung pagmamahal ng isang babae sa isang Tennessee Whiskey. It goes something like this. I used to spend my nights out in the ballroom. Liquor was the only love I know. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as glass of brandy, and honey, I stay strong on your love all the time. I've been looking for love in all the same old places. Found a mother, but I'll always ride. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. Yeah, you're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy, and though the ice stays down on your love all the time. Yeah. Akalain mo, pinag-compare yung Tennessee whiskey sa isang pagmamahal ng isang babae. Ganon katindi ang lasinggerong ito. Anyway, shout out to everyone. Napakagandang cover song. Ang title po niyan is Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton. Oo, Chris Stapleton ang kumanta. Yes, Tennessee Whiskey. Napakagandang kanta. Alright, another country music. You're smooth, that's Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as a strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy, and all the ice stays down on your love all the time. Yeah, woo. That's Tennessee whiskey, Tennessee whiskey, Tennessee whiskey. Smooth as Tennessee whiskey, Tennessee whiskey, oh, Tennessee whiskey, yeah. Woo. Kakaiba sa pantunog niya yan, di ba? Yung country music na yan, Tennessee Whiskey.